Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Land Rover Discovery key fob battery. First, ensure you have the right tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is well lit and clean to avoid losing small parts. Identifying your specific key fob model can also be helpful for a smooth process. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might be. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely shut. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob on your Land Rover Discovery to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.